Chinese stocks lead Asian bourses higher on service sector strength. The Shanghai Shenzhen CSI 300 Blue-Chip Index changed into up 0.6% as of 12:54 a.m. Eastern Time 0454 GMT, with consumer-oriented service sector stocks gaining the maximum. Tsingtao Brewery Company Limited (SS) 600,600, Anhui Zhongwei Automobile Group Corp Limited (SS) 600,418, and CITIC Guoan Wine Company Limited (SS) 600,084 had been many of the great performers at the index, growing among 7% and 10%. The Shanghai Composite Index rose 0.1%. In the Asia-Pacific vicinity, Australia's S&P/ASX 200 rose nearly 0.7%, whilst FTSE Malaysia KLCI and Thailand's SET Index brought 0.3% and 0.8%, respectively. Japan's Nikkei 225 rose 0.6%. Government records on Sunday showed that China's carrier area persevered to expand via July, albeit at a slower pace. But this still helped offset a sudden contraction in production interest. China's non-manufacturing shopping managers index became 53.8 in July, compared to 54.7 in June. A reading above 50 suggests growth. This indicates a chronic healing of services after lockdowns have been lifted in early June. Since then, China has followed a more flexible approach on COVID testing and quarantines, which also facilitates the restoration of offerings, analysts at Ing wrote in a word. We expect these carrier industries to maintain increasing in August as summertime holiday travels within China need to raise services sports. But China's key production quarter shrank in July, in large part because of disruptions inside the property market. New domestic expenditures and sales additionally dropped through the month. Blue-chip property shares had been the worst performers on Monday, with majors such as Shanghai Construction Group Company Limited (SS) 600,170, Poly Real Estate Group Company Limited (SS) 600,048, and Gemdale Corp. (SS) 600,383, dropping among 3% and 5%. The quarter changed into also rattled by way of China Evergrande announcing that one in every of its devices should pay 7.2 billion yuan, $1.1 billion, to a guarantor over its debt responsibilities. In broader Asian markets, South Korea's Kospi Index traded flat after statistics showed the US of A's alternate deficit widened significantly in July. The Taiwan-weighted benchmark dropped 0.4% as sentiment grew to become bitter over U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi's viable go to the island. China has strongly opposed the journey.